Assalamualaikum students. My name is Muhammad Ali, lecturer in mathematics, Army Public Degree College, Malir Kent. Students, now we start with the chapter number 3, matrices and determinant. Student, what is matrices? First we discuss what is matrices, then move toward the determinant. Now students, start with the matrices and determinant. What is the matrix? Student, what is matrix? Matrix is an rectangular array. And what is array? Array means arrangements of rows and columns. Now student, definition of a matrix. A matrix is a set or group of numbers arranged in a square or a rectangular array enclosed by two brackets. Here are some example of the matrices. The next slide is order of a matrix. What is order of a matrix? A special number of row and a specified number of columns, and two numbers rows multiply columns describe the dimension or size of the matrix. Student examples: 3 by 3 matrix, order of a 3 by 3 matrix, order of a 2 by 4 matrix, and order of a 1 by 2 matrix. So student, here is the 3 by 3 matrix. It means 3 rows and 3 columns. It means the order of this matrix is 3 by 3. Similarly, in next matrix, 1 rows and second rows. It means 2 rows and number of columns 1, 2, 3, 4. The number of columns is 4 and the number of rows is 2. So what is the order of this matrix? The order of the matrix is 2 by 4. Then next is only one row and number of column 1 and 2. So the order of this matrix is 1 by 2. Now students, a matrix is denoted by a bold capital letter, and the element within the matrix are denoted by the lowercase letter. Example, matrix denoted by this capital A with the element Aij. In lower script we mention the ith represent the row and jth represent the column. So A11 entry and so on A12 and then so on to A ith and term. Similarly, and column wise A11, A21 and so on up to AM1 terms. And similarly, this last term to AMN term. This is the general form of a matrix. How to write a matrix in general form? Now student, we discuss the types of matrix. Number one is column matrix. A matrix having a one column is simply called column matrix. Here are the example, and in the last here is the general form of a column matrix. Now student, second is raw matrix. What is raw matrix? A matrix having a only one row is called a raw matrix. Here are the some examples of raw matrix, and in the last here is the example of a general form of a raw matrix. Rectangular matrix. Now, so what is rectangular matrix? If the number of rows and columns are not same, then the matrix is said to be rectangular matrix. Simply, here is the example. Here is 1 row, 2 row, 3 row, 4 row, and number of column is 1 and 2. So rows and columns are not equal. It means m not equals to n. M represent the number of rows and n represent the number of column. If m not equals to n, then it is a rectangular matrix. Now students, square matrix. The number of rows equals to the number of columns. Student, here is if number of rows and columns are equal, then it is a square matrix. Square matrix m by m has an order m. For example, student, here is the example. Then this matrix have a 1 row, 2 row, and number of column 1 column and 2 column. It means order is same. Then it is a square matrix. Then next example, 1 row, 2 row, 3 row, and number of column is 1, 2, and 3. Then the order of this matrix is 3 by 3. It means rows and columns are equal. The principle of a main diagonal of a square matrix is composed of all element Aij, which I equals to j. Student, diagonal matrix. What is diagonal matrix? A square matrix where all the elements are 0 except those on the main diagonal. Or students, simply we can say that diagonal entries are non-zero and all the entries are 0. Here you can see the example. The diagonal entry are non-zeros and all the other entries are 0. This is the example of 3 by 3 matrix, and here is the example of 4 by 4 matrix, you can see that all the element in the 4 by 4 diagonal matrix is non-zero and the remaining all entries are 0. But student, what is the necessary condition for the diagonal matrix? Matrix must be square. Unit or identity matrix. Unit or identity a diagonal matrix which runs in the on the main diagonals. Student, for identity matrix, the diagonal elements are all non-zero, but only one in the main diagonal, then it is a identity matrix. And except diagonal, all the other entries are 0. So this is the identity matrix of 4 by 4 matrix, and this is the identity matrix of 2 by 2 matrix. You can see that the diagonal entries are only 1 and the other entries are 0. So it is an example of an identity matrix. Null or zero matrix. What is null or zero matrix? In all element in the matrix are 0, or simply consider in the matrix all the elements are 0, then it is a zero matrix or null matrix. Here are the example of null matrix or zero matrix. What is the scalar matrix? What is the scalar matrix? A diagonal matrix whose main diagonal elements are equal to the same scalar. A scalar is defined as a single number or a constant. Student, here is the example of the scalar matrix. The diagonal entries are non-zero and same, and the other remaining entries are 0. Similarly, here we have a matrix of 4 by 4 matrix. All the elements in the main diagonal are same, but all the other entries are 0. So what is the difference between the identity matrix and the scalar matrix? Student, in identity matrix we only have 1 in the main diagonal, but in scalar matrix any number or any constant number in the main diagonal, but all the diagonal entries are same. That is the difference between the identity and scalar matrix. Now student, today we discuss only the definition. Inshallah in next class we will discuss further. If you have any query related to the presentation or any query in any definition, yeah, any problem, then you can directly ask me on my WhatsApp number or privately or on WhatsApp group.